Today I will show you how to cornrow like a pro in few steps. Let's get started. The key to this technique is to section your hairs in lines like you see in the video. You can also add braiding gel. This will make it easier to grip when cornrowing. These 4 methods of braiding you will see are excellent for protective styles when wearing your wig. They are also easy to care for. Method 2. Section a small portion off and split into 3 sections. Cross the right section under the middle piece. Then, do the same with the left piece. Use your left middle finger to reach under the middle piece to grab the right strand. Pick up additional hair with the strand using your middle finger and thumb. Repeat on the other side using the opposite hand. Continue the pattern of going under the middle strand and grabbing the outer strand with the middle finger and thumb. Try to keep your fingers in a relaxed position to avoid cramping. Good luck and keep practicing. I believe in you. Method 3. Create 3 parts under the middle, scoop the bottom, and bring it to the top. Onto the middle, scoop the top and bring to the bottom. I usually use my middle finger as the finger that is doing most of the work. Take your time. It is going to use wide first, but as you practice more it will look more like a cornrow. So again, under the bottom scoop the bottom and bring it to the top. Under the middle scoop the top, bring it to the bottom. It is just a pattern you have to master. I believe in you, I really do. You can see her cornrows are starting to form here. Again, practice makes perfect. Keep the techniques and you will not have any issues. Please subscribe if you have not already done so. This is the only channel dedicated to lace wigs and raw hair. Method 4. Part the front section of braid. Split it into 3 legs and braid it 2 to 3 times. Then with your pointer finger and thumb, grab the middle leg and the rest of the hair in the section. As you reach for the alternate leg of the braid, slide your pointer finger through the hair you're holding with the middle leg. You're going to repeat this motion throughout the entire braid. I struggle with grip, so if my braid looks loose I lightly pull on the legs of the braid. Then continue the motion of parting the hair as you reach for the alternate leg. The same goes for the back. To avoid bulkiness and tangling, make sure to slide your hand down the pieces often. To help make my braid consistent I like to add small pieces into my braid. Please like and let me know what other videos you would like for me to make for you.